Good evening and welcome to a new episode on YouTube. This is what day is today? Just went to work. It's Wednesday evening. I was live on YouTube just this morning, and I might go in more of the live on YouTube. We need to grow this channel, and then there's some cables. Anyway, the house look like after all these things are everywhere. So let's make a tea. Filming this video in the meantime, because I was about to say that hope and peace always. No conflicts. Alright? Because we are tired of those conflicts. Alright. Let's make a tea. So those things that we really believe are going to happening, they are going to happening with no doubt. Right? Even if we doubt them, they are still going to happening. They have there is no other way. Alright? There is no other way. For example, we believe now, we get to that point where we reach, I would say, 1 year or 2 years clean and improve. Right? These things are going to happening because we believe. Right? If you have anything on your mind, should I make it a coffee or tea? If you have anything on your mind and you truly believe that are going to happening sooner or later, as long as we continue to imagine those scenarios. Alright, they are going to be real. So I wish this make any sense to you, but this is the true fact. Alright, and I experienced that many times before. The only thing is that we need to stay focused always. Right? Training the brain and the mind. Beyond the brain, there is the mind. There is tea, my preferred tea, always. Alright, so beyond the brain, there is the mind, the spiritual, that lead, the spiritual lead. This is like a portion between the imagination and real fact. Right? I won't say that this sort of world is not real. Might be more or less sort of simulation. Well, now you believe what you believe in. Right? I'm not saying anything anymore, but for me it looks more like a simulation, and what we imagine and we recreating those create this stories, these movies. All right, they're going to happen because we imagine, we create them. All right. Now I'm studying. I was into the psychology, and what was the name? The writer. There was an American writer, philosopher, and has a great. If you are interested, I'm going to leave a link into the comments. Have a look, and then see what's going on there. Alright, if you see this video, subscribe, and really helps this community, this mission that's going on. Alright, so another thing is that China is back here, and my house is on fire. Everything is everywhere. And even there are things that I don't really know how to describe that they are what they are. But they are having different beliefs. Anyway, our belief system is very large. Alright, it's very complex. That's the thing. But now I really, I won't say we're creating this, creating this life that we're living, right? We just imagine we're having those ideas before we go to sleep, and the next day and the next they're going to happening, right? That's the idea. It's a simulation. Alright, I wish you all the best to everyone, and have a great week ahead. I'll see you in the next video. Always peace and hope. We're living these days where people have no patience anymore, have no they are too much hate. I see that hate in their eyes. Everywhere we go into hatred, and it's more than anger and hatred. Well, it's not going to the right direction, but as long we having just a moment of peace, that's good, that's great. And stay away from those any conflicts, wherever they are, at work, or social media or anything. I'm really into to just get away from those social media, like Facebook or Instagram or anything, because it's just a waste of time. It's wasting my time, and I might create better things than just waste my time over there. My battery is very low, so I'm going to having this short video, 10 minutes probably, already 10 minutes now. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, might be next few days. And I'm also live on YouTube on evening and morning. Alright, peace and hope.